guys! Welcome to Debbie's Corner!
Are you having the same problem like this? And also like this? Well, you're not alone in having that problem. So today, I'm going to show you how I'm planning to solve them. So I don't have to do that every year, guys. We are here in my backyard, in my back patio. And I'm going to show you later where I put that succulent greenhouse that I'm planning to do, so that I don't have to hustle myself everywhere every time the season changes, because you know how sensitive succulents can be at times when it's during harsh weathers. So that's one thing I want to solve today for that matter, and that's why I'm spending some of my stimulus fund for that purpose, so I don't have to change and run around, and every time there's a freeze warning or there's a heat wave going on for my succulents, and I will have a refuge for myself to enjoy just looking at my succulents. So how wonderful is that, right? Just have your coffee, talk to your plants, play some music. I'm excited about this. So guys, watch out for this video and hope you enjoy it. Debbie's Corner is a channel where you can find all cooking topics, succulent topics, or life hacks, and YouTube tutorial. And today we're going to discuss about succulents, and this is something to do with a succulent greenhouse that I've been doing since the beginning of summer. And I'm going to show you part 1 of this episode, which will show you how we made the beginning to about halfway. Next episode will be part 2, having all the shells, having all the plants in there. So hopefully this video will also help you solve that problem I've been having. And if you have questions, guys, just go to the comment section and write down all your questions. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button on the side until it turns blue, and also click the notification bell and make it a bell all notification so that you get all the inputs that I'm going to show you in this channel. Okay, folks? See you soon. some shelves that needs to be put on this both sides, and we got the roof coming on. I'm probably gonna still have to put some protection on my succulents with this, but it's because it's only 90%. It's not screening on the plants, so that's still pretty high for succulents. So I may have to put some good fern hanging plants or something, or I could just put something like a very thin kind of screening on the ceiling once it's already put with all the plastic roofing. Window on both sides of this, so I get some breeze coming in even if I have to close the door. We got the door up, and that's pretty much it. And I bought this pavement. I only put these are like $1 each on Home Depot, and I just plan to put just in the middle side, because all the ones that are on that side anyway, I don't really need to put unless I have more budget. Maybe I can put some more, but for now I'm just gonna leave it open. And because all the shelvings anyway for the plants is gonna go up above that, so there's no really reason to put too much emphasis on that one. But as long as I don't get muddy when I water the plants and I walk onto here, so I think he's putting the same stuff like braces like that goes on the other side, so that there's place for the roofing to hold, just like that. He used some kind of roofing screws or tech screws to go with bracing and trusses. So I'm pretty happy about it. Me and my sons and my husband, we all helped each other to paint it with a cream color. I wanted it lavender because lavender is pretty much my favorite color. But I'm also thinking about, I think I brought some mint green as well. I also like mint green, so I'm gonna put some touches of mint green, but that can be after everything's done, because I really want to move my plants in here so that they'll have a more permanent place to stay, and I can take care of them instead of all scattered like that. And I got this kind of screen, and it's just droopy right now because of all the weight, and put this before summer, so right now it's looking so ugly, and it's hard to maintain the grass around it because all the pots are also on it. So if I have a place to put all that and a better shelving, then this backyard will have more organizations. The roof, and so we still gonna have to put something on here. I'm thinking about some kind of plywood or some kind of material like this one here, the one that we put on the door. It's like a trellis, and I was just gonna, so it's gonna have some air coming in the greenhouse, not gonna be totally closed because we need some air coming in. So I'm pretty happy with this little tile that I have. It's a concrete pavement. It's cheap enough, $1, or not even that, I think, or some kind of $1.20 maybe. Designed something on here, and that's actually, I found my paint. I hope I left the paint here, so I hope it didn't dry up. I bought a whole can of green paints, like a mint green, if you can see that color. It's like a mint green, and the brand name is Bear Premium Plus. I bought it for like $23 for the whole gallon, and and it can make a lot. I don't put a second coat, it's just one coat, so probably I'm gonna use most of that for my shelvings and for my sidings here, since I don't have for the rest of the portions that I haven't put wood. I'm probably gonna use that kind of color, just to play it a little bit, because I bought this lantern out for outside because I want my husband to put a window here. So I'm gonna put a plant box outside of that, so it's gonna have like a little window, and it's gonna find it cute, and I put a lantern to match it in type. So you might guys wondering, why is that air conditioning? Well, it's wide enough for my lawnmower to pass, so that's good. We don't want to put it too much nearer the house because we got the pool of the kids here, and my husband just thinks that's the perfect place, but he's a man. Good morning, and I've just decided to just put this trellis and some kind of plywood on the bottom, so that I could let some airflow, because I don't want this shelter too hot, because it gets really hot when it's so enclosed. So ventilation is also very important, so we will have a lot of ventilation. And if I need to, I could just cover that portion with some tarp or something if I really have to cover. It's got lots of sun coming in, but not too harsh. And if it's summertime, I may have to put something on the ceiling, like shade, maybe 50% shade, so that it doesn't burn my succulents. And this is it, guys. We'll see how the shelving will go. We are still working on that too. Okay guys, till next time, please like, share, and subscribe.